Hi guys, welcome to another Science Monday. Today, we're going to talk about capillary action. And we're going to make a fun experiment to show you how it works. Capillary action is the way in which plants and trees get their water. Rainwater filters through the soil, and then the roots absorb the water. And through capillary action, it goes up through the trunk and the stem, going against all the laws of gravity. To demonstrate how water travels, we're going to make this colorful experiment for which you'll need a couple of glasses. I'm going to use 5, but you can use as many as you want. There could be plastic or glass. Just make sure they're transparent. Paper towels. The more absorbent, the better the results. Food coloring. I'm going to be using the 3 basic colors, but feel free to go crazy and use as many colors as you want. And last, water. Okay, so now we're ready. Come on, let's go set it up. Place your glasses on a countertop or table, about an inch apart from each other. Make sure you use an odd number of glasses, because those are the ones that you're going to fill with water. Add the food coloring to the glasses filled with water, and just make sure there's an empty glass between each colored water glass. Finally, we're going to take a paper towel and make a roll. You'll need 1 less than the number of glasses you used. In this case, as I used 5 glasses, I'm going to need 4 paper rolls. Carefully place the paper towels like bridges over the gaps between the glasses. Now, be patient, because this will take a while. So, what do you think? Isn't it awesome? You can actually see how the water came up the paper towel and down again into the empty glass. The same thing happened with the yellow water, because as you know, if you mix blue and yellow, you get green. And if you mix red and yellow, you get orange. I hope you really liked it and that you understand better now how plants get their water. If you like this experiment, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Also, find us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next Monday.